aduna khoi ngasi leiba I can estimate around 100 plus adui mayam lakpiri pahan sing na BP si of the line control tobungam bana bani aduga regularly check tawraga akoina isagi oinaba wangagan hidak chabi ro wangragana please continue doing your good work once again aduga BP si mayam changna akoina control tawminasi we all remain healthy. It's a big burden to the world, especially for the manipuri population, line of population. See the Jumma the stroke toga, Puyana, the Hinipuyang, the stroke toga like Vavsi, Magi family to the Asuki Matic Pugi impact like win. Magi Sevato, Magi earning, or even Miyama strokes at the little Vivada. We have seen the whole family will cripple. Aduna khoi ngasi leiba I can estimate around 100 plus adui mayam lakpiri pahan sing na BP si of the line control tobungam bana bani aduga regularly check tawraga akoina isagi oinaba wangagan hidak chabi ro wangragana please continue doing your good work once again aduga BP si mayam changna akoina control tawminasi adu khai maru aina mona hajar ki ngasi sida loina leilisi including everyone. I think I have the blood pressure all along. So I can say I'm normal. But I am still I am BP all the low hand view. Aduga wangana person general ka MS ka nahi dakpira nahi. Aduga please continue eating. Please taking your drugs. Aduga I am normal na normal tarama na lebi ko check amuk to view because it is a silent killer. Adu hai gai mayam asigi kogi event na sila lakmi bagi. Especially Sunday morning to the Lucky Wagi, Mayamu, Hagachari, Jai Hind.
Really difficult diet to follow specific diet pattern also. You may be able to follow it 1 month, 2 months, and after 3-4 months, nobody follows the diet chart. So what we, from my swimming, no problem, gardening, no problem. So few minutes of your bio-relaxation is required to control your blood pressure. Number 2 is stress, that is the things, but many ways that people saying that yoga, meditation, but from my side what I would say is any kind of biofeedback mechanisms which we celebrate World Hypertension Day this year with the team. Together we will treat. Now what is the meaning of this together? We will treat millions hypertensive all over the world. 1 in every 5 patients in India or even in Northeast also, we are hypertensive. And again, it is a silent killer. The problem is a silent killer.
Thank you very much, sir, for your enlightening and thought-provoking address. Your words have truly emphasized the importance of awareness, prevention and collective action in controlling hypertension. I would now